Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday, July the 2021. No, Friday, July the 23rd, 2021. I've already done two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. So one puzzle left because in this additional there are 6 puzzles, and only the 3 puzzles I will do, 3 out of 6. And the third and last puzzle I will do is a Tectonic with 1 star. Number 3142. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I've already counted 17. So could be an easy one. Should be an easy one because for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, that's my time limit. Okay. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? I see here the single box. Here also a single box. Single box is always a 1. Remember this. Single box, always 1. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me see. Do we have dual boxes? No dual boxes. Triple boxes, then it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, no triple boxes. How could that be? Then quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see only one quadra box. Is this correct? Yes. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, 2 numbers are already filled in. The 2 and the 3. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Then the following stage or strategy is to recognize some shapes or constrictions or figures or structures, whatever, you name it. Alright, we have the L shape. The L shape. Remember, for the L shape, this box is always the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. I see the T shape. The T shape. Upside down. The T shape. Okay, upside down. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And also that box has the same number as this box. Here are also a T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, we have a 2 here, so this should be a 2. Alright. And that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Those are the T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Okay, here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Are there other shapes then that you need to recognize? No. Those are the shapes. Only 3. In this puzzle there are more of shapes that you need to recognize. But in this puzzle we have only 3 kind of shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Then it's easy for filling the numbers. That's the next step. Yeah, the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 2, 4, 3, and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 it goes there. Then Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These three boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These three boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And we already have a 5 here. So it's not the solution to place the 5 there. So the only place for the 5 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So two boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. So only box for the 1 should be here. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. Two boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. Two boxes left in this W area shape. For the numbers 2 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Okay. Then these two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. Okay, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. And we have a pair 3 and 4, yes, in this T shape area, but we see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes and there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Correct. Two numbers left in this row, in this area. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are missing. We see a 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. Two numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. This box cannot be a 1 anymore, so one box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, alright. So two numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 3 goes and there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4, alright. Then yeah, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1 and a 5. Ah, we see here 1. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 5 now. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And this box should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and a 3. Alright, I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be 1 or a 3 here. Because we have a double 1, double 3 there. It cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see a 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, faster than 50 minutes. Correct. It's a 1-star puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Bye-bye for now.